Welcome to the Learning Library portion of your membership. This is my favorite place. So what happens is that you're going to log in and definitely bookmark this page. You will see app.searchy. I might be able to change that soon, working on getting that custom URL. But there's a video here that you're watching now and some quick links for you. You can go to all of my YouTube tutorials if you're looking for something specific. You can go back to home and go check out live streams, workshops, or Q&A calls. There is a section that's going to say continue watching. So if you leave and come back, that will be there. But the best part about this is being able to search. Let's say you want to learn more about using alcohol inks. So if I type in alcohol inks here, you can see that I am going to pull up 3 videos. And another place where you get a little bit more detail is if you actually click into my YouTube tutorials and then search alcohol ink, it's going to give you a little bit more detail. So either way, the media, like the videos up on the top, but when you go into the specific playlist, like YouTube videos or live streams, it's going to pull up the transcripts so you can actually read through what I said specifically about the alcohol ink. And this is really great, especially with a live stream or a Q&A on Zoom, because there's a lot of like really good tidbits of information that get thrown in there and it's almost impossible to find. So if you remember that I said something about glitter glue in one of my live streams, then you can come here and specifically find what you're looking for really quickly to get your answers really, really fast, save yourself time and energy, and get everything that you are looking for. It's not here yet, but if you look at like the hamburger button in the top right, it's going to also have links to the playlists there. You can always go back home when you're ready to go back and find things. This is updated regularly. Every week I post my YouTube video in here as well as my live stream. And after any Q&A calls or workshops that we have inside the community, I will put the replays in the portal as quickly as I can. Let me know if you have any questions. Pop in the community group over on Circle if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help you navigate through the platform.